In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear sway bar link on your Ford Edge. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and behind the wheel. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can go ahead and remove the lug nuts with a 21mm. Now we can remove the wheel. We can remove the nuts for our sway bar link with an 18mm. I'm going to put some pressure on the back side of the sway bar link while I remove the nuts. If the stud in the sway bar link spins, you can hold the collar on the back side with some locking pliers. And we can do the same up top. We can get the sway bar link onto the sway bar. It'll help to push up on the sway bar for this. And then we can get the lower portion into the control arm. We get the washers onto the studs and get the nuts started on. Using an 18mm wrench, we can hold onto the stud on the back side and tighten it down. And we can torque these to 85 foot-pounds. We can go ahead and get the wheel on the car. I like to spin the first lug nut on all the way. That way it'll hold the wheel on the hub while we get the rest of the lug nuts on. Now we can snug these down in a star pattern. With the vehicle on the ground, we can go ahead and torque these to 162 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.